Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can make any orb follow you around in Geometry Dash. The first thing that you want to do is to of course add your orb onto the game itself, and basically from there you then have to add a trigger called move. So let me just find that real quick on this section. It's going to be this purple trigger right here, and then I'm going to add it directly to the top of the orb. From there, we then have to tweak out some minor settings. So first things first, click on the orb itself, click edit group, and then you want to apply a group ID. So I'll click on the plus icon, click OK, and then you want to edit the special and make sure that the multi activate is turned on. From there, navigate through the move trigger, click edit group, and basically you want to go ahead and make sure to add the group into number 1 itself. Click on OK, click edit object, and you want to make sure that all of these options is turned on. For example, you have the lock X, lock Y. From here, you then have to edit the move time into this number, which is going to be the maximum number possible. And of course, you want to add the target group ID that's going to be number 1. So if we click on the OK button and if we click on play, it will then follow the orb right here, or it will then follow my character around. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.